Yo, what's good, people? This is T-Rai, aka Tom, and I'm back at IDALS. So today I'm gonna teach you all my footwork choreography. It's just a footwork choreography. At the same time, it's not just. And I'm gonna teach you all song Astaghfirullah by MC Stan. So hope you're all warmed up. So yeah, let's get into the class. So let's start our first section. So this choreo is all about footworks and at the same time intentions. Not expression wise, it's all about movement wise. Got it? So first we're gonna go get in. We're gonna go, this is my right and this is my left. So we're gonna go get in. Right leg gonna go front. You're gonna go twist, get in, like this, okay? Like a running. Got it? So you're gonna go boom, and at the same time, left leg gonna go twist on your toes, okay? So like this, drag your toes, okay? So boom, like this, okay? So get in, 5, 6, 7, go, get in, okay? Got it? One more time, 5, 6, 7, go, get in, like this. Music says like ta-da-da, ta-da-da, but you have to go only this, okay? It's not like ta-da-da, it's like smooth. You have to go smooth. So one more time, last time, then you move on, okay? So your 5, 6, 7, go, you're gonna go get in. From here, use your right leg on toe heel, okay? So you're gonna go from here, toe, heel. Got it? So from here, get in, you're gonna go use your right leg, toe, heel. After then, you're gonna go swing, okay? Like boom, back, okay? So get in, toe, heel, bounce, 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 okay? So you're gonna go bounce at the same time, right leg gonna go backside, back, 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 okay? Got it? On the top till here. 5, 6, 7, go. Get in, toe, heel, back, front. Okay? One more time, 5, 6, 7, go. Get in, toe, heel, back, front. Now, from here, you're gonna go switch your positions like a weight shifting. You're gonna go heel, okay, toe. One more time. Get in from the top, 5, 6, 7, go. Get in, toe, heel, back, front, heel, toe. Make sense? Simple. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go from the top. Get in, toe, heel, back, front, heel, toe. Got it? Last time. You're gonna go get in, toe, heel, back, front, heel, toe. And at the same time, you twist your, hips. Okay, you're gonna go twist your hips like this. Like this. So it's like ta, ta. Make sense? Ta, 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 ta. Use your hips. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Get in, toe, heel, back, front, heel, toe. From here, you're gonna go swing. Okay, you're gonna go twist. One more time. You're gonna go twist your knee. Follow your knee, not toes. Okay? Toe, heel, toe. You're gonna go twist down. Okay? One more time. Heel, toe, twist down. Make sense? Knees. From your knees. And at the same time, I'm just gonna go twist. Okay? Twist. Got it? So heel, toe, twist, down. From here, weight shift goes on my left leg, okay? So from here, you're gonna go, right leg gonna go, twist, down, okay? So from here, ta, ta, you're gonna go twist, down, right leg, right toe is gonna go on my left heel, okay? So you're gonna go heel, twist, down, two twist, okay? So you're gonna go twist and twist and. Get it? From the top till here, 5, 6, 7, go. Get in, toe, heel, back, front, heel, toe, twist, down, twist, down. Okay, got it? One more time, 5, 6, 7, go. Get in,